this is Renee Daly from stampknowhow.com, and welcome to another of my blog tutorials. Today we're going to be making the Peaceful Poppies thank you card. As you can see, it's got a little bit of the designer series paper and a beautiful poppy image on the top. So let's get started. Okay, for the paper, I'm going to need a piece of the Painted Poppies DSP, the green side, cut at 1/2 inch by 4 inches. I'm going to need a piece of Whisper White, cut at 2 3/4 by 3.5 inches. I'm going to need another piece of that Mossy Meadow designer series paper, cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. Another piece of the DSP, cut at 4 inches by 2.5 inches. And we have some Poppy Parade cardstock, cut at 11 inches by 4 1/4 and scored at 5 1/2. And then for the inside of the card, you need a piece of Whisper White that's 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. First thing we're going to do, though, grab this scrap paper. We're going to use some of this Whisper White crinkle ribbon and the dark Poppy Parade Stampin Blends. And we're going to cover this so it has a chance to dry. And you're going to want a piece of scrap paper behind this because it does get a little messy. And we're just going to do a decent length of that so we can tie it around the card. And the Stampin Blends are great for dyeing ribbon. They're alcohol based, so they dry rather quickly. Maybe just a tad bit more. Just want to have a little bit of leeway to cut it. And you can do this on any color you want for any of your projects. This ribbon is just so pretty, so soft. Okay, we're going to be using this Poppy Field image. I already have it mounted on a block. I'm going to use that little piece of Whisper White and a bit of Stays on ink. Going to ink that up. So once you have it inked up, just stamp it in the middle of your block of cardstock. So I'm going to mount this large spatter paint image on a block. We're going to use the Mossy Meadow. I'm going to go ahead and stamp off just so it's not so dark. I'm just going to do the green part. Same thing, stamp off on a scrap piece. We're going to come in here with the green. That's enough with the green. Once you clean off your stamp, we're going to do the same thing with the Poppy Parade ink color. I'm going to come in with this spatter. And this one we're going to do full strength. Our Field of Poppies. And the same thing, a little bit more to the left. Have a nice splash of color across the middle. Set that aside. It's easier at this point to tie your ribbon around this little card because we're just going to make a little knot in the front. I'm just going to adjust that to where we want it. A little bit more to the left there. Trim the ends down. Okay. Now, set that aside for a second. We're going to work on our sentiment. And for this, You can use any thank you from any set. This is actually an older thank you from an older set of mine. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the anti-static powder. I'm going to ink this up in Versamark ink. I'm going to put that in the lower right-hand corner. Okay. Going to grab a piece of scrap paper. This will do just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle our embossing powder in there. And this is the shimmer black from the annual catalog. It has a little bit of glitter in it. Yummy, I can't get enough glitter. That looks pretty good. I'm just going to go ahead and heat emboss this. Okay, so I can go ahead and assemble our card. Set this aside for a second. I'm just going to use regular snail adhesive. It's so easy. I'm just going to line this up. It's about 1/4 of an inch around. And our little poppy piece, same thing. It's just gonna go there. And then our little poppy stamped image, I'm gonna go ahead and put dimensionals on the back. You just want to line up closer to the top of your card and press that down. And for the inside, same thing, we're just going to go ahead and use the colorful side of this. This is just a scrap from when I cut the DSP. This leaves you a little room to write a message at the bottom. The card does add like a little splash of color too. It's kind of fun. Same thing, we're gonna line this up on the inside. Got a good crease at the bone folder. Make sure everything's flat. And then last but not least, we're going to add a little bit of bling here with these cute little from the Heart Faceted Gems. They're actually part of the Valentine Suite in the mini catalog. We're going to use them on this card. I'm just going to use a little bit of glue for that. Just going to add some dabs. And there you have it. It's our Peaceful Poppies thank you card. Hope you enjoyed today's project. Make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite new product is in the catalog. And don't forget to shop with me at stampknowhow.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.